She's so good for me. Mr. Good Stuff, Mrs. Good Stuffing, good loving.
What's up, y'all? It's Slick Rick in this bitch. All right. And I'm about to do a mukbang. First and foremost, I want to thank everybody who's supporting the brand, bringing it to life. Because this was just some shit I popped off. You know, I eat seafood boils like fucking twice a week, maybe 3 if I can afford it. Shit. But, yeah. You know, and I just was sitting up here and I'm like, this shit fire. And my wife was like, you know, she laughed about it and shit. But I was like, no, we need to bottle this shit the fuck up. Then my daughter, you know, came through talking about, I got y'all orders. So she put a rush on that shit. So that's how that shit came. Fye Sauce, okay? So I'm about to do this little young mukbang in the motherfucking house, okay? With the Fye Sauce. Fye. It's up in this Cajun pasta. Y'all see it? Mm-hmm. Y'all see it? Y'all like spice? Gotta try the Fye Sauce. Got to. Shit bangs, okay? Bangs on anything. Dip some chips in this shit. Fucking seafood. We done threw it in the fucking Cajun pasta. I'm about to dip my young chicken wings, okay? Up in it. That's how it goes down over here. Bangs. Bangs, bangs, bangs. But for real, I want to do a couple of shout outs. Want to shout out Wavy Tay. That's my daughter. For making this shit pop. Pop. Want to shout out my first few customers. I can't even get everybody's name. Let me see. Ashley, Yeasia.
Your book is right there.
Tanoy. Mama Tanoy. Creesha. Okay. Callie.
Kamari Culture.
Say it again.
Kamari Culture.
Jennifer. Young Jen.
Ray Photography.
Danielle. Tammy. Ashley. Naima. Deanna. Imani. Crystal. Another Ashley. Janita. Yaya. Man. Y'all bringing it to life. All y'all gotta do, though, spread the word. Spread the love. Spread the word. Support your own. I'm all about supporting my own. Y'all got any kind of hustles going on, anything, I'm there. I'm down. I'm supporting. I don't care if I don't wear it, if I don't like it, if I don't eat it, I'm still going to support. Because guess what? What I probably don't like, somebody else probably like. And we got a gang of motherfucking kids, and I know they going to like it. Okay? It is what it is. But yeah, young mukbang. Nah, for real. For real.
Shout out to the cook.
Oh my God, wait a minute. Hot and forgot. This lady does it all, okay? Does it all. Shout out to young LaStar. LaStar the tech, okay? LaStar the cook. LaStar just starts every fucking thing, okay? Alrighty. Shit. Shit right. Yeah, I gotta show y'all the plate though. Motherfucking chicken fried to Perfection. 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 Dip that a little bit in the sauce, Fye sauce. Lord, can I pray? And it's gonna be a couple of special YouTubers that I fuck with, that I watch. I just get down with them. They probably don't even know, but they they like my favorite YouTubers. Cause that's all I do is stay on YouTube, watching mukbangs and watching pranks and all that shit. But I ain't gonna drop the name right now until I send them this sauce for them to try it. But yeah, I'm dropping a couple of YouTubers some of this sauce. Fire. I don't even want to say no more. Say no more. Say no more. Huh. All right, y'all. I'm out of here. Like I said, I'm Slick Rick. Y'all stay tuned. Watch my baby's Snapchats. Links will be below. Follow me. Support your own. Fye.
It's me too, but your cooker's going to hit the button. Boop. Then see you next time. Bye.
Okay.